Oofy move. Good morning, bitches. It is World Book Day. Can I please have the World Book Day best kids in the world in here, please? Okay. We are presenting. Who are we presenting first? A dragon! Whoa! Picking his nose. Amazing. Do a roar. Whoa! We are presenting a Wednesday Addams with a Binksy cat from the cartoon, the original cartoon. So it's technically a book. Look how freaking cute she looks. And we are presenting... Dun, 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 dun. Get in here, you knob. Get in. Don't punch your sister. We are presenting The Worst Witch. Woohoo! With a cake. We're ready. We're ready for World Book Day. I've got brain farts. Yeah, we're ready for World Book Day. I've got some orders to post, some chocky orders. I've got like 2 boxes left now. I'm hoping they'll go today. If not, I'm just gonna fucking eat one at the weekend. I don't even care. One of the kids has just dropped cake on the floor. One of the cats is now eating. This, because I know someone's going to ask, is, I've got it in my pocket so I can show you. It's a Kylie. It's my only Kylie lipstick. And it is called, what are you fucking called? Red Hot. And it is indeed fucking red hot. Yeah. That's my only Kylie one. It is such a nice lipstick. She may not be a nice human being, but fuck me sideways, she can make nice makeup. So, I'm gonna go and I will talk to you at some point, unless I forget. It's 9:30. Hi, Chippy, what doing? Oh, Chipper baby. Look at this baby. Look at this baby. Oh, Chippy. Oh, Chippy. Oh, she's a little tiny baby. He's a baby chopping Lindor. You got choppins. Oh, that's not ladylike. That's not ladylike, chopping Landor. Oh, I'm sorry. Was I giving somebody else attention? I'm sorry, my man. I'm sorry. Where's everybody else? House is a fucking shithole. Oh my god, look at these two. Look at you, babies. Hey, Nana. Hey, Goyi. Hi. Oh, boy. Yeah, it's so fucking cold outside. I'm not dressed for the cold at all. Look, not dressed for the cold at all. Stupid short skirt, a t-shirt, this, and then this. It's fucking freezing. I need to clean the house. Me and Mum did upstairs yesterday, so upstairs is done, but fuck me, downstairs is a mess. I did bring this chair down from my bedroom though, because I got rid of that fucking ugly sofa. I put that in the skip. But this was just weird because I can't find a sofa. So I've just put that there for now. It'll do. But yeah, I need to clean down here. I need to post some orders, which I haven't done yet. I'm going to do that before I pick up Sausage Boy. He didn't want to go today. He was like crying. But I launched him into nursery. Yeah. There's just so much shit everywhere. It's like so tempting just to put everything into the skip, which I know is not the way forward. Nonks, come here, baby. Binksy cat. Oi, come here. Come here, my man. He's cross at me at the moment because he keeps cuddling Mika. Come here, my baby. You still love mommy? Come here. Let's see if he still loves me. Come here. Come here. Oh, he does love his mommy. You love your mommy still, don't you? He loves his mommy. You're gonna get lipstick all over you. Oh, Binksy chat, you can get lipstick on you, baby. He's literally standing right on my thigh. Hello. This is a good angle. I'm so cold. I'm going to put some music on. I'm going to tidy. And then, I don't know what I'm going to do after that. I don't know if Ben's mum's coming tomorrow or not. I'm not sure. I've got some new canvases to paint. And I've got some videos I need to edit. And the kids need to film. We've got Babacorn bricks, which we need to film. So we'll do that this afternoon, as long as everybody is in a good mood. Talk to you in a bit. Sarge,
What?
did you have fun at World Book Day?
Yeah.
What did you get to go in at nursery? Who came to see nursery?
Who?
Was that a policeman?
Yeah.
And what did he bring? What did you get to sit in? Was it a police car?
Yeah.
Did he have his Nino lights on?
Yeah.
Wow.
Nino.
What are you making me make you for lunch?
Cornflakes.
Corn fritters. Again. All the bloody corn fritters.
Mama, I'm making beans.
You are?
Mama, I'm making beans on cornflakes.
You want beans on corn fritters?
Yeah.
I see. Maybe. I have no idea if I filmed anything today. I feel like I did this morning, but I cannot remember. What time is it? What's the time?
5:58.
6 o'clock. Oh, who's ready for bed?
Not me.
Mummy? Mummy's ready for bed. Mummy's tired. I'm gonna go and dye my hair because it's fucking awful. Not the back bits, obviously, just the front blonde bits. I've got a pink I'm gonna put on it. Because this side is really faded, and then this side is just, it's so gross. It's just 97% dry shampoo at the minute. Like, this side's just gone back blonde again, and I don't know why. And then this side is just really, really faded. So I'm gonna try and make it into a nice pink, but we'll see what happens. The girls have just unboxed a Lego subscription box, which they love. Foxy's been in bed for like half an hour. Ben's mum rang me a little while ago whilst I was on the toilet. There was a video call and I answered it and I was like, I'm just having a piss. And she was wetting herself laughing whilst she was like, you can just finish, it's fine. She's been in the toilet with me before, so it makes no difference. She don't care. And then I brought her down to talk to the girls because Nana and Grandad, Jane normally comes on a Friday, but they're off on the Raz tomorrow night, so we're not going to see them this week, which is rubbish, but it's okay. We'll see them next week. If I can state in my, like, it's just dry shampoo. It's so gross. It's so gross. I need to go and sort this out. Oh, I'm so tired though, I can't be bothered. My leg hurts as well. I know it's self-inflicted, but I can whinge about it because of my channel. I need to go and edit some videos and I need to choose what subscription box me and my mum are going to open this month. I think I'm going to start with Glossy just because I know where I am then and it's not too expensive. I should be able to just afford to do 1 month of Glossy just for me and mum to unbox. So you guys can see her reactions because you guys love watching her. She just gets the rage. If you've never seen my mum in an unboxing video, I'll link a couple down below. Beauty videos and stuff. I'll get a moisturiser out and I'll be like, how much is this? And she'll look at it and she'll be like, £4. And I'm like, 86. And she just gets the rage and it's hilarious. So, yeah. I will possibly talk to you later, but it's probably going to be that I'll talk to you tomorrow. I need to pick a Keanu Reeves film as well to watch tonight. I haven't decided what one yet. Don't know what Ari's doing down there. I also have not tidied my house yet.